3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, still some showers out on the radar this evening. Otherwise, it's a pretty quiet, straightforward forecast. We'll see some of those showers back again tomorrow, as we tend to do this time of year. Temperatures, as you would imagine, back to being hot. Let's start with a look at the satellite and a radar picture now. Some showers ongoing across the Gulf Coast. Most of that kind of confined to the Louisiana area. Some sea breeze showers and a little bit of a front going on out over towards the Panhandle. Nothing that will affect us. A couple scattered sea breeze showers out over through Texas. And again, a little bit heavier activity here in Louisiana, just kind of the way the day shaped up. We're seeing most of that activity now push further and further out towards the west and the north. Still some lingering showers through northern sections of Acadiana. Not a whole lot going on south of us either. Down in the Gulf of Mexico, we may get one or two isolated showers to continue as we go through the rest of the night and into early parts of tomorrow. But for the most part, we're going to continue to see drizzly type activity up towards the north. Still going to see lots in the way of clouds. Clouds going to hang around through the rest of the evening tonight. Some light showers out over through western parts of Lafayette Parish, stretching onwards towards Crowley. Heavier downpours out towards the west, however. That's where we saw some of the activity a little bit earlier on. Some of the heavier showers you can see now starting to wane. Glen Mora, a little bit heavier activity on the way. Phil Platte, slow, steady rainfall right now. And then just south of Oakdale, little flare up there. Nothing really to be concerned about. Out over towards Fort Polk and DeRidder is where you're seeing the heavier activity now. And even that bigger shower that was along the Jefferson Davis Acadiana Parish border from Jennings up through Basile, even that's starting to show signs of weakening. So really not expecting these showers to do much of anything. Get kind of drizzly through northern parts of Acadiana, starting about Lafayette Parish westwards and down over towards the north. We're going to do it all over again for tomorrow. We've got a quiet night coming up tonight. Not much going on by about 10 o'clock. Again, one or two showers will be possible offshore basically all night long. You could wake up to an isolated shower down closer to the Gulf of Mexico if you wake up early tomorrow morning and notice some towering clouds. Most of those are going to be to your south, and they will be out in the Gulf of Mexico, or they will be immediately along the coastline. Communities that are right nudged up next to the water, we'll see some of that activity. Otherwise, take a little bit of time before it starts to get going. That's lunchtime when we'll start to see the showers and thunderstorms firing up across much of the area. They will increase in coverage. They'll spread out through the afternoon into the evening. Winds will be from the south throughout the course of the day. Plenty of moisture in the atmosphere for these showers to work with. They fall to pieces as soon as the sun goes down. And then we repeat it again on Wednesday. Wednesday may be a little more active. You could start to see the showers a little bit earlier, spreading out a little bit earlier by the afternoon. We're probably looking at widely scattered showers across the area. We'll go 40–50% on your rain chances here basically each and every day. And that will take us all the way through to the beginning of the school year here in Lafayette Parish. For early parts of the morning on Wednesday, not too many problems. You'll see some showers by lunchtime, and when the schools start to let out in the afternoon, you may deal with a little bit of rainfall as well. Be prepared for the afternoon showers, basically day in and day out. We may end up with some heavier rainfall on Thursday, and we could see those rain chances go up to 50, maybe 60% at the most, but right now going to continue to go in that 40 to 50% range. As far as temperatures go, mid-70s with all the humidity we'll have. Heat index will sit in the 80s, about 82 early tomorrow morning for your heat index. Look for the highs to get into the low 90s. Heat index briefly touching up into the triple digits before the showers arrive. Showers will help cool us down a little bit. So will some more extended cloud cover, but we'll certainly see the sunshine early on in the morning. And if it takes a little while for those clouds to get going, you will see the temperatures get warmer and warmer through the day, and then expect your high to be a little bit higher into the 90s. Mid-70s for you early Wednesday. Plenty of sunshine across the board. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms starting to pop up once again Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, repeating this forecast over all the way through the rest of the work week. It's 76 degrees for your overnight low tonight. Still seeing some showers out there, but they will be slowly clearing up for tomorrow. 92 degrees for your high, 40% on your rain chances. Winds from the south, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Look at your 5-day forecast here again, 40 to 50% through the rest of the week and into next week as well. Really not a whole lot of change for at least the next 10 days.
All right, thanks, Daniel. Still ahead tonight.